Hi, I'm Scott. Welcome to Scott Talks About Random Things. Today, I will be talking about cats. And, let's be honest, I'm pretty sure they're out to rule the world. But don't quote me on that, it's just a theory. And how do I know? Come here, just take a look at this cat right here. See how he blends in? Cute, fuzzy. That's right, I'm on to you. Come here. I'm pretty sure they're using their cute and fuzziness then. They will take over the world. It's just a theory though. I don't have proof. But you know, this is... Exactly. Why do you think they do the cat craziness? They're all getting their signals at once. Aliens. I'm telling you. Cat aliens. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Feel free to do whatever you want with this video. Alright.